Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this iRobot Roomba i5 Plus Mop Vacuum Cleaner. So here it is on the charging station. Now it can vacuum your house with the vacuum attachment, but you're going to have to empty it out. So what you do is press this little button after it's done, take this over to the trash can, and then you're going to empty everything out in there. Once in a while there is a filter. You will have to clean that filter or replace it. On the bottom side of it, it does have the two rollers here for cleaning your carpet and hardwood floors. We got a side brush and drive wheels. Now, anytime you want it to mop, you're going to put this mopping attachment on it. This is where you're going to put the water whenever you want to mop. You can put the solution and water right in there. You're also going to have to empty this out when you're done. This is where everything's going to go when it vacuums everything up. But when it's mopping, it's going to put the water on this mop pad. You'll see there's some holes here. So what it does is allow some of that water and solution to come down here and wet the mop. But what's really nice is you can put this mop pad in the washing machine, get it all nice and clean so it's ready to go. Now it can map your house a little bit, but it mainly relies on this bumper here to bump into things to tell it to turn to go the other way. Now it really works good with these virtual walls. It does not come with the virtual wall, but this one, you're going to put it up in the line position. It'll shoot a laser out that way. And anytime that sensor senses that laser, it'll turn around and go the other way. You can also put it in the circle position and it'll shoot the laser out the top. So if you got like a dog bowl, put it around and it shoots a laser out 2 feet in a circle that the Roomba will stay away from. Now, even though this does create a map of your house in the app, you cannot put no-go zones or anything like that. Okay, so here's the i5 cleaning up a big mess I got here on the floor. I've got it in spot mode, so it's going to go in a circle, and the circle will keep getting bigger and bigger. It does a good job vacuuming, actually. Okay, so let's see how well it did. Again, we have to go empty all of this out. You know, it did a pretty good job. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.